Have you ever wondered what lurks in the depths of the ocean, far beyond our reach and sight? The ocean, a vast and mysterious world, is home to an estimated 2 million species, many of which remain undiscovered to this day. Imagine creatures thriving in extreme conditions, withstanding crushing pressures, freezing temperatures, and complete darkness. Among the known dwellers of the deep, the piranha has garnered quite a reputation. These small fish, native to South American rivers, are known for their sharp teeth and an aggressive appetite for meat. The mere mention of their name is enough to evoke images of frenzied feasting and waters turned scarlet. But the piranha is not the only creature in the depths with a penchant for violence. In the same size bracket as the piranha, there exist other species equally tenacious, if not more. Their names might not be as infamous, but their predatory prowess is just as awe-inspiring. These are the creatures that, despite their size, make the vast ocean their hunting ground. They are proof that in the underwater world, size does not always dictate the pecking order. Like the piranha, these creatures are part of a lineage that has perfected the art of survival in one of the most challenging environments on Earth. Their evolutionary journey has equipped them with unique adaptations that enable them to thrive where others would struggle to survive. These creatures take residence in various parts of the deep, each with its unique set of challenges. Regions with extreme temperatures, scarce food supply, and crushing pressure are their homes. The countries that lay claim to these parts of the ocean are as diverse as the creatures themselves. As we journey through this narrative, we will not dwell on what has been said, but rather we will delve deeper, constantly discovering and learning. We will unravel the enigma of the deep, one creature at a time. Today we delve into the deep, discovering creatures that give the notorious piranha a run for its money. The piranha, a name synonymous with ferocity and aggression. These aquatic carnivores hailing from South America's rivers have earned a ruthless reputation. Their razor-sharp teeth and voracious appetites, combined with their pack-hunting strategy, have made them a symbol of terror in popular culture. Yet it's important to understand that not all piranhas are bloodthirsty predators. Many species are omnivorous, feasting more on seeds and fruits than on other fish or meat. They reside in the fast-flowing freshwater rivers and streams, their compact bodies perfectly adapted to the dynamic environment. These fish are remarkably resilient, capable of surviving in conditions where other fish would struggle. However, the piranha's reputation is somewhat exaggerated. They are not the relentless killers they're often portrayed to be. In fact, they are more scavengers than predators. Yet in the deep, there exist creatures that could make the piranha seem like a minnow in comparison. In the dark abyss of the ocean, where the pressure is intense and light is scarce, exist warriors of the deep. These deep-sea warriors are a fascinating collection of creatures that, despite their similar size to piranhas, possess a unique set of characteristics and adaptations that make them formidable opponents in the underwater world. Take, for example, the viperfish. This predator is a small but fierce deep-sea dweller. Its body, like a shadow, is nearly invisible in the inky darkness, save for the bioluminescent photophores that dot its undersides, creating a spectacle of lights in the gloom. Its long, needle-like teeth, capable of impaling prey with a swift strike, are a chilling sight to behold. Then there's the goblin shark, another deep-sea warrior that rivals the piranha in terms of tenacity for violence. Its soft, flabby body and protruding snout may not seem intimidating at first glance, but don't be fooled. This shark's jaw can thrust forward to capture prey, and its teeth, though thin, are incredibly sharp and perfectly designed for slicing through flesh. And let's not forget the anglerfish. This creature lures its prey with a light-producing organ known as an esker. Once the unsuspecting victim gets too close, the anglerfish attacks with a swift and deadly strike, its large mouth and sharp teeth ensuring that escape is impossible. These deep-sea warriors have adapted to their harsh, unforgiving environment in remarkable ways. Their bodies are often compact, built to withstand the crushing pressure of the deep. Many have developed bioluminescence, a tool for communication, hunting and defense in a world where sunlight is a distant memory. Their teeth are sharp and numerous, designed to catch and hold on to prey in an environment where food can be scarce. Despite their size, these creatures have a tenacity for violence that rivals and perhaps even surpasses the piranha. They may not have the notoriety of their freshwater counterparts, but make no mistake. The warriors of the deep are just as deadly, if not more so. How does a battle between these deep-sea creatures and the piranhas play out? Picture the scene. In one corner we have the piranhas, notorious for their razor-sharp teeth and insatiable appetite for meat. In the other corner, the fierce and formidable predators of the deep, each with their unique set of deadly attributes. So, let's compare. The piranhas, they're speedy, darting through the water like tiny carnivorous missiles. They're tenacious, relentless in their pursuit of prey. They hunt in packs, turning the water red within minutes. But how do our deep-sea creatures measure up? Firstly, their hunting techniques are strikingly different. Many deep-sea predators are solitary hunters, relying on stealth and surprise rather than speed and numbers. Some, like the anglerfish, use bioluminescent lures to attract unsuspecting prey, while others, like the viperfish, have long, needle-like teeth and hinged jaws to trap and swallow prey whole. Now, when it comes to speed, it's not just about how fast you can swim, but also about how quickly you can strike. The mantis shrimp, for instance, is known for its lightning-fast claw strike, which is as swift as a .22 caliber bullet. Strength? Well, consider the colossal squid, whose tentacles are armed with sucker rings and hooks. They're strong enough to battle sperm whales, some of the largest creatures on Earth. But what about aggressiveness? The piranhas may be infamous for their feeding frenzies, but let's not forget the deep-sea creatures' relentless tenacity for survival in one of the world's harshest environments. Now imagine a hypothetical encounter between a piranha and one of these deep-sea predators. The piranha's speed and numbers might give it an initial advantage, but the deep-sea creature's strength and surprise attack could quickly turn the tables. Despite the piranha's reputation, it is clear that the ocean's depth hides predators far more fearsome. Yes, the piranha is a formidable opponent, but the deep sea is a battleground where only the strongest and most cunning survive. And in this underwater arena, it's the deep-sea predators that reign supreme. You might wonder, do these beasts of the deep share a common ancestor with the piranha? Well, let's unravel this enigma together, shall we? The piranha, a creature that's become synonymous with fear and ferocity, hails from the Ceratosalmidae family. This lineage is home to an array of formidable creatures, including the pacu and silver dollar fish. Yet the piranha's reputation for violence often overshadows its relatives. Now let's dive deeper, beyond the familiar surface waters, into the mysterious abyss of the ocean. Here we encounter the deep-sea warriors we've been exploring. Despite their seeming dissimilarity, they too hail from the Ceratosalmidae family. The shared ancestry is evident in their shared traits: the razor-sharp teeth, the tenacity for violence, the relentless pursuit of prey. This common lineage, however, doesn't make these creatures carbon copies of each other. Evolution has a knack for creativity, after all. Over millions of years, each species has been molded by the harsh realities of their respective environments, resulting in an array of adaptations that make them uniquely suited to their corners of the world. The piranha, with its pack-hunting strategy, thrives in the river systems of South America. Meanwhile, its deep-sea cousins have evolved to master the dark, high-pressure environment of the ocean depths. Despite their common ancestry, nature has carved each into a unique, fearsome predator. Where in the world's oceans do these creatures reside, you might ask? Well, the answer lies deep beneath the surface, far from the reach of the sun's rays. These formidable creatures have claimed the abyss as their kingdom, where the pressure is crushing and the darkness is absolute. They are found in various parts of the world, their territory as vast as the ocean itself. From the icy waters of the Arctic, through the vast Atlantic, to the serene depths of the Pacific, these creatures have carved out their niche in the most inhospitable environments. Their geographical distribution is as diverse as their species. The dragonfish, for instance, commonly lurks in the depths of the Atlantic and Indian Oceans, while the fang-tooth fish, with its menacing jaws, is a frequent sight in the chilly waters of the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans. The viperfish, known for its luminescent allure, has been spotted as far down as 5,000 feet in the cold, dark corners of the Pacific, Atlantic and Indian Oceans. These creatures have adapted to life where few dare to venture, thriving in the inky depths of our planet's oceans. They are not bound by geographical borders, their only requirement being the cold, dark depths where they can assert their dominance as the apex predators of the deep. In the world's darkest corners, these creatures reign supreme, embodying the true terror of the deep.